नमस्ते बच्चों, आई एम JVN डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कुमार श्रीवास्तव फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस अंडर द फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. टुडे we will discuss the formation of differential equation. It means if its solution is given, then how we make the differential equation. For this, we understand by the question. If it is given that by elimination, question is by eliminating the constant a and b, form a differential equation y is equal to e to the power x in bracket a cos x plus b sin x. This is given, so we suppose this is equation first. Now differentiating with respect to x, then dy over dx is equal to first function, it means e to the power x in bracket differentiation of second means a derivative of cos x minus sin x plus b constant derivative of sin x is cos x plus second function means a cos x plus b sin x will be same, and differentiation of e to the power x, this is e to the power x. Now using first, we can write dy over dx is equal to e to the power x in bracket minus a sin x plus b cos x, and this is the value of the last term value of the y, so we put y. Again differentiating with respect to x, this is d2y over dx square e to the power x in bracket minus a cos x minus b sin x plus second function minus a sin x plus b cos x, and differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x plus differentiation of y, this is dy over dx. Again we can write d2y over dx square is equal to minus common from the first bracket, this is minus e to the power x in bracket a cos x plus b sin x, and again this is the value of dy over dx minus y plus dy over dx. We are writing this line by the dy over dx by the above equation. So we can write d2y over dx square is equal to minus y plus 2 dy over dx minus y. Again this can be written as d2y over dx square minus 2 dy over dx plus 2y is equal to 0. Now we see the another question. Find the differential equation for y is equal to a cos of mu x plus b, where a and b are parameter. Given that y is equal to a cos of mu x plus b, now differentiating with respect to x, this is dy over dx is equal to minus mu a sin of mu x plus b. Again differentiating with respect to x, this is d2y over dx square is equal to minus mu a derivative of sin, this is cos of mu x plus b, but mu x plus b will be treated as the theta, so again derivative, and this is mu, so we are finally writing d2y over dx square is equal to minus mu square a cos of mu x plus b. Now d2y over dx square is equal to minus mu square, and a cos of mu x plus b can be written as y, so this will be d2y over dx square is equal to minus mu square y, or this can be written as d2y over dx square plus mu square y is equal to 0. For the remarkable this thing, if we find the differential equation from the given solution, Then we notice how many parameters are used. If two parameters are used, it means the degree of the differential equation which is obtained of the second order. If if solution of differential equation contains only one parameter, then it means the differential equation will be of first order. Thank you.